Good morning, dear students. I am your English teacher, and today we shall discuss the chapter named Articles. What is articles? The indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable noun. Yesterday I taught this. The indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. An is used with words that begin with sound of vowels a, e, I, o, u. A is used with all other words. A we will use with other words. Example: a marble, a giant, a broken toy. And where we will use an? Where the sound will come of the vowel. An illustration, an hire, an evening in Paris. So we will use here an. Next, the definite article the is used to refer to a specific noun. If we will use a specific noun, we will talk about any specific noun. So we will use the. The is used with both singular and plural noun. The second thing, first things we will use the with the specific noun. Second, we will use with countable or singular and plural nouns. Next, in some cases, the is also used for uncountable nouns. Sometimes we use the with uncountable nouns, like the book I was reading, the boys in your class, the water of Ganga. Uncountable nouns are there. We cannot count them, so we will use the. The book I was reading, the boys in your class, the water of Ganga. So here we will use the. Next, the is also used in the following instances, where we will use the before names of anything. If we are talking about any name of the thing, so we will use the, which are one of their kind. Like example, the sun, the earth. These are the antique. So we will use the sun. The other not any other sun is there. So we will use the earth. Earth is a only planet. Okay, so we will use the sun, the earth. Next, to indicate a class or kind of anything. If we are talking about any kind of anything, so we will use the. Like the tiger is our national animal. Tiger is our national animal. So we will use here the. Next, before names of water bodies. If we are talking about the water bodies like oceans, like this type Pacific Ocean, so we will use the. Or river, or sea and ocean. So we will talk about here. We will use the. Before names of water bodies, seas, rivers, oceans and mountains. Example: the Nile, the Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Himalaya. So we will use here the. Next, before names of famous building. If we are talking about the famous building, so we will use the special word the we will use. Okay. Next, the red fort. Next, the White House, the Eiffel Tower. If we are talking about any specific, any special, any famous building, so we will use the here with this building: the Red Fort, the White House, the Eiffel Tower. Next, before names of the holy books. If we are talking about the holy book, like Gita, Ramayana, Quran, this all, so we will use the Gita, the Quran, the Iliad. Next, before names of newspaper. If we are talking about the newspaper, so we will use here the. Before names of newspaper and journals. Example: the Times of India. So we will use the here. Next, the New York Times. Next, before names of people, if we are talking about the pupil or nationality, so we will use the. Next example, the English, the French, the Chinese, the Indians. Okay, if we are talking about the pupil which is based on the nationality, okay, so we will use the English, the French, the Chinese, the Indians. Next, before superlative, if we are talking about the superlatives, the strongest man, the highest building, the strongest means superlative, the strongest man, the highest building, the most popular television show. This is the most popular television show, so we will use the, which is it. Okay, my dear student, it has completed now, and we shall continue on tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, have an amazing day.